What's happening, guys? Welcome to RGH Tech TV, and today let's see top 7 tech gadgets and accessories under and around 500 rupees, which are very interesting and lucrative at the same time. Make sure to watch this video till the end, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And guys, before I start this video, I want to thank you for making Top Tech series a successful series on our channel, and I hope you'll give this video the same love and support as you have given for previous videos. So guys, let's aim for 2000 likes, and I'm pretty sure we'll reach there by next week or so. And also guys, links for all the gadgets mentioned in this video will be given in the description box below. Kindly check them out as well. Alright guys, now the first tech gadget which I'm going to show you today is an NFC smart wristband from Lynx, which helps you automate your life by launching applications with just one tap, which is pretty handy in my opinion. You can turn system settings on or off like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. Send SMS, email, call a person, share your contact information, etc. Now it can be programmed with an external application like TagWriter, which helps you give commands to perform certain actions in certain specific way. It works with all the phones having NFC. Over everything, it's waterproof and requires no charging to operate. So if your phone has NFC under 500 rupees, I believe this is a must-have gadget. Next up guys, I have some amazing speakers from Redgear, which are pretty small, making them portable, easy to carry, yet they're pretty powerful. They come with 45mm drivers, passive radiator, and inbuilt sound amplifier. I was pretty satisfied with the voice clarity and bass levels, and under 500 rupees, I believe it's a complete Paisa Vasool product. Now before we move on to the next product, let's quickly listen to the sound quality.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you do just what you're told. I'll be your heart temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Next up guys, I have a smart keychain over here, which apart from being used as a keychain, can also be used to measure the tire pressure of bikes, scooter, cars, etc. It's pretty easy to use, has on-off button, a LCD display to display the measurements in 4 different units. Now as far as I have tested, it's fairly accurate with plus or minus 1 PSI, and I believe it's definitely a handy gadget to carry around, available at a very affordable price. Next up guys, this is a 22 watt smart LED bulb from Wipro. It's smart because it can change color temperatures from warm white to neutral white to cool white, which I believe is amazing and fantastic feature to have. It's pretty bright in the first place. It comes with 1-year warranty, and most importantly, it's available at just over 500 rupees or so, making it a must-have for anyone and everyone. Next up guys, this is a microscope. It isn't a model or demo unit, it's a working microscope, good for students but not professionals. It's pretty lightweight as it's completely made up of plastic. It has magnification of 100x, 400x and 1200x. Here are some samples. It was pretty difficult to show on the camera, but I felt 100x worked perfectly fine out of the 3. And definitely in my opinion, it's helpful for educational purpose as it strikes the right balance between affordability and functionality. Next up guys, this is a pocket scale for measuring items up to 200 grams. It's a perfect gadget to measure gold, silver and precious metals. As far as I've noticed, it's not 100% accurate. It has an error margin of like plus or minus 1 gram, but I still feel it's a very useful gadget to have as it's pocketable, portable, gives you at least a close estimate if not perfect readings, and again importantly, it's pretty affordable. Alright guys, now last but not the least, this is a circle cutter from Isomars. It comes with various blade sizes, feels sturdy, has good locking system, and helps you cut perfect circles, be it paper, photos, etc. I don't know how useful this gadget is, but it's definitely interesting. So that's it guys. As mentioned earlier, all the links are given in the description box below. Kindly check them out. If you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, follow us on Twitter at RGH Tech TV, subscribe to us on YouTube. Most importantly, thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon.